Hi everybody. So one of my friends at work wanted to see my raised garden beds that are also retaining walls made out of corrugated roofing material, galvanized. And I figured I'd show everybody at once. That way they can get an idea. He's going to be making some raised beds this weekend. And he wanted to get some different ideas. I have garlic growing in these right now. So I finished them up last year and I wanted to put something in them right away to christen them, so I did garlic in these. So I'm going to get a little bit closer on some of it and let you see what I got. These beds are 8 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot. It cost me under $100 to build. It's pressure treated lumber with corrugated galvanized roof material for the inside of the bed, and the pressure treated for the outside. Since this is also a retaining wall, I knew I had to use pressure treated lumber, but I wanted to get away from using pressure treated lumber for the inside of the beds. So that's why I use the galvanized steel on the inside. Even though I don't have to worry about blowout of the retaining wall because the raised bed is full of dirt, I still put gravel at the very bottom going all the way across so the water drainage will be a little bit better. To connect the boards together, I use standard deck screws. Now, to connect the corrugated material to the wood, I use roofing screws. Let's take a quick look before we go at my garlic. In this bed, I have all Russian red garlic. You can see them popping up through the covering they put on it. Over here, first couple rows is Georgian Fire. They're just really taking off. I got a row of Machichi and a whole bunch of German Red. Give these a couple months and they'll be ready to go. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.